Hey, I'm Gabriel, also known as Gabo the Guide. I'm passionate about traveling and taking people on amazing adventures. I'm on a journey to discover northern Portugal and experience the region's unique culture, gastronomy, and beautiful landscape. Let's visit Porto in the North. Inspired by the art, gastronomy, and lovely people of Trás-os-Montes, I leave the mountains and head south to the Douro Valley, home to the world-famous wine estates and vineyards. And the best way to begin exploring the region, definitely in an exclusive yacht, cruising its very soul, the Douro River. After spending a couple of days here in the region, I now realize that the Douro Valley has much more to offer than some of the best wine experiences and culinary attractions I've ever had, but also a chance to live a luxurious lifestyle. Cheers. Saúde! One cannot leave the Douro Valley without navigating on the Golden River. Right there is the Vintage House Hotel. I'm going to stay there tonight, and it's considered to be one of the most luxurious hotels in the entire Douro Valley. Situated at the very heart of the Douro wine region, the Vintage House Hotel is surrounded by vineyards and offers amazing riverside views. I've just got a sports car delivered at the hotel, the type of service I truly appreciate. Now, I'm about to drive on National Road 222, known as one of the most scenic roads in the world. I'm on my way here to Six Senses, a worldwide luxurious brand of resorts that spotted the potential of the Douro Valley and assembled a beautiful combination of nature, culture, and sustainability. And I'm driving there in this amazing electric sports car. The Six Senses Douro Valley is the ultimate high-end experience. Hello.
Welcome to Six Senses Douro Valley.
Thank you very much.
Allow me to introduce to our Tibetan singing bowl ritual to enhance good energy and start your journey.
Hello, sir.
Hey, how are you?
Six Senses Douro Valley.
Thank you so much.
Allow me to offer you some port wine and a cold infusion with
Amazing.
lemon, orange, cucumber, and peppermint, and also some nuts.
This 19th century manor house is surrounded by amazing gardens and the typical terrace vineyard of the Douro. That was quite an entrance at Six Senses. Now it's time for me to change because I have some workshops to do. Doors closed. One of the coolest things here in the Six Senses is that they cultivate and harvest their own plants, vegetables, and herbs. I came to meet Raquel, the sustainability manager, who is going to show me the magic of the Earth Lab. Hello, Raquel.
Hello, Gabriel.
How
Welcome
are you?
to the Earth Lab.
Wow, Raquel, this is awesome. What do we have here?
Lots of things. So this is all from our garden. You can see we have here some apples. You want to try dehydrated apples?
Yeah.
Right here.
Why not?
So you can have some.
What can you make with all the things here that you preserve?
Most of the things that we have here we use as herbal teas.
Mm-hmm.
Also, other things are used for cooking, also for bakery.
Yeah.
Everything that you see here on the shelves, also on the roof that you have some herbs dehydrating. Everything that comes here to the Earth Lab, it's produced here.
What a beautiful garden you have here.
You see all this diversity that we have, all these small details, things that you cannot find in the market or even in the local suppliers that we use. We don't use any synthetic fertilizers or pesticides. Here you have this beautiful rosemary. You can pick it and we can use it later in our workshop.
That's great.
Here you also have some thyme.
Oh, I
some
love thyme.
Curry herb. This one is really interesting because it smells like curry. But you know, curry, it's a mix of spices, so it's not curry, but it smells very similar to it.
Wow.
So it's interesting.
Wow, I've learned so much about this garden. I think it's time to go make pickles.
Yes, let's go to the Earth Lab and start our working, and you'll learn a lot about fermentation there, okay?
Incredible. The Earth Lab, such an amazing name.
Yes, it is.
Raquel, thank you so much for teaching me how to make my own pickles.
I hope you like the workshop, and I hope you start making your own pickles at home.
I will definitely do that. I think one of the most important things I've learned here in Six Senses is about the importance of ecology and sustainability. Making tourism not something just of leisure and fun, but also of great, great importance to the world. This
Here are
is
your
my pickles.
Yes, hope you
Thank
enjoy.
you so much.
Thank you.
Fully invigorated by the power of nature, it's time to leave the Douro Valley and cruise all the way down back to Porto. If you're looking for a stylish experience at the highest standards, the Yateman is the place for you. Located at the top of Vila Nova de Gaia, it has the best views to the city of Porto, an exquisite cuisine, and world-class spas and wellness treatments. The Yateman is a luxury wine hotel and spa with breathtaking views over the Douro River and the city of Porto. This is a place where everything is about excellency, from a 2 Michelin stars restaurant and an award-winning vinotherapy spa to a remarkable wine cellar. All rooms and suites are very spacious and have either a private terrace or a balcony. Oh my God! The city of bridges and the Douro River captured my heart. But now it's time for my beauty sleep. All aboard! Oh no! There's no time to waste! The Yateman is a paradise for wine lovers and the place to learn more about Portuguese wines. That is exactly what happened to me last night. I feel you. The word of the day, Garrafeira, the wine cellar.
Welcome, Gabriel.
Thank
This
you.
is our kingdom. This is the wine cellar. So welcome, and let's start the masterclass.
Quite the wine cellar you have here.
More than 1,000 references, around 40,000 bottles. This is the most complete collection of Portuguese wines. We'll start with this beautiful label. It's only a sample of what we have. This is special because it's Soalheiro Primeiras Vinhas. Primeiras Vinhas means first vines or the old vines of the property, completely adapted to the terroir of Minho region. Let's start.
It sounds so romantic and passionate when you talk about it. This wine masterclass provides comprehensive knowledge about the different Portuguese wine regions.
It's so complex that you feel layers and layers and layers of aroma.
Along with a gastronomic pair to match. Chin chin.
Chin chin,
Salud. After warming up in the masterclass, I'm ready for a very special lunch in an equally special place. I came to Casa de Chá Boa Nova, a famous 2 Michelin star restaurant by the talented chef Rui Paula, to experience the top of Portuguese fine dining and to reveal his culinary inspirations. Look at this. I got the best table in the house. The restaurant is situated on a beautiful rocky hill on the Atlantic shore, has such a cozy atmosphere, especially on a rainy day like this. I can't wait and see what Chef Rui has in store for me. Chef Rui Paula.
Hello.
How did you come up with the idea to establish this place?
Era irrecusável convite para vir para uma casa destas, onde eu posso trabalhar o mar, ou seja, o peixe e o marisco, com estas vistas, e portanto eu aceitei e fiquei logo apaixonado pela casa. Isto é um cruzamento entre a arte, da arquitetura, que esta casa é muito bonita, e depois tem a entrar a parte da minha comida. Portanto há aqui uma junção de duas coisas que se pode tornar numa experiência super agradável e diferente. Eu trouxe agora aí um prato para ti, que é o primeiro prato do nosso menu. É o único momento de pão que temos. Tem uma manteiga de lardo, digamos assim, e depois outra manteiga para acompanhar de algas, que é essa.
Once again, a masterpiece of combination in between colors, flavors and design.
Eu tenho o meu ADN. E acho que é isso que se deve manter, ou seja, ter pratos saborosos, bem apresentados, falar deles, pratos que contem alguma história. Tudo isto é importante e faz envolvência para pessoas como tu que nos visitam, sintam que de facto estão a ter uma verdadeira experiência.
And what a great experience indeed. As the sky clears and the sun comes back, the conditions are set for me to enjoy a cocktail or two at a sunset lounge party. Porto Cruz is the perfect place to try the famous port tonic. This port wine house has a museum, restaurant and bar, but the very best part is the top floor lounge. Perfect to bring your friends or make new ones. So I would like to raise a toast for interesting encounters and get-togethers.
Em português, saúde.
Saúde. Saúde. With a beautiful sunset marking the end of my luxury tour, there's one last thing I want to do. The Douro River is an essential part of life here and a part of the experience at Porto and northern Portugal. If you really want to feel the river, you should do what I do and grab a boat ride with Phil Douro, cruise upstream in a luxurious fancy yacht. Luisana, queijo de estrela. You know me so well. Best cheese in Portugal. Just behind me, the famous promenade of Porto de Ribeiro. Just on top of the Douro River, you can see people, couples, families coming here to have fun, to observe Vila Nova de Gaia on the other side, grab some pictures and enjoy a romantic dinner or just enjoy the best scenic views in the city of Porto. Hola! As I witnessed with my own eyes and felt through all senses, northern Portugal is becoming an essential spot for any traveler seeking a luxurious lifestyle, fashion trends, or staying at the most glamorous hotels and spas. So if you know what your true desire, northern Portugal is here to make all your dreams come true.